everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna be talking about Caterpillar and why I acquired Caterpillar. I got into Caterpillar actually on August and at around $140 per share. Right now it's trading at 148. And so why Caterpillar? Because, well, looking at the chart here in the technical analysis, as you can see, this green line is a 200-day moving average. Then we have the purple line, which is the 50, and then we have the 20-day moving average, which is the yellow line. You can see here in the chart, look, this is from 2008 right here until now. As you can see, this trend has been pretty bullish, and according to technical analysis, when you have this chart pattern, is pretty bullish. I think this, the price already been above these three moving averages. As you can see here, it's already above. So from there it jumped to the next level right here in this candle, as you can see. So I think the trend is going to continue, especially these days and these times with low interest rates. Companies and smart money, they take advantage to build new branches, new storage rooms, factories, businesses, development, real estate development, all of that. And I think that's what we're gonna see here with Caterpillar because of the low interest rates. And also, Caterpillar is a company that doesn't have a lot of competition. I mean, I don't know a lot of companies that do what this company does, right? So you can see here, the trend line goes up and down here. So what's gonna happen in here is the same pretty much what happened right here, as you can see right there. You see this area right here, this trend, the stock price going right above the three moving averages. Pretty much this candle right here is pretty clear. It's clear above, floating above the three moving averages, as you can see. And then we have the 20 pointing up in this direction, going up. So this candle right here is very bullish, and look what happened next, right? It went from 102, right here you can see the price, 100, 101 or so, right? All the way to 162. So $60 run, and I think that's what is about to happen with Caterpillar, in my opinion. And I gotta say, this is not financial advice. This video is just for entertainment purposes, but in my opinion, this is what's gonna happen. As you can see, Caterpillar right here jumping up above the 20 moving average, just exiting up. It's gonna shoot at about, in my opinion, at about let's do $60 here. It's gonna get close to 200. Let's say probably 190. And for this target price that I have, is probably it might take about a year maybe. As you can see here, it took about a year as well. There it is. Yeah, there is 1 year right there. Yeah, just about a year to do some kind. Caterpillar is not like one of those tech companies that have very few shares outstanding, right? Caterpillar is kind of more like a large cap kind of thing. It's heavier, it has more shares on the market, and therefore it's not as volatile, but it's also a good thing, especially in these times, in my opinion, right? So I think Caterpillar, with inflation and everything that's coming, and the advantage that it has with interest rates being low, and companies and smart money investing in real estate and real estate development and expanding their businesses, Caterpillar is gonna grow. And as you can see, Caterpillar hasn't moved very much. The low here was $89. Well, I guess it pretty much moved, substantially, but it has a lot of room to run up. Like I say, it's not a very easy to duplicate company, right? What they do is very, very different and very hard to duplicate. I mean, very very, I don't know how to say it, but you get it, right? And as you can see here, this red candle right here is about to be taken out by this green candle or the next green candle. As soon as the next green candle surpasses this red candle right here, this red level right here of the price, so is about 148.72, which is pretty much there actually. Look, 148.98. It went up above here 151 during the day, but when you see a solid candle surpassing this red candle right here of 149, let's say when the price is solid at above 150 or 152, I think the stock is gonna just accelerate towards 160 or 170. So just my opinion, this is what's gonna happen with Caterpillar. We're about to enter very tough times, I guess, because of the elections coming up, and the probability of a resurgence of the sickness, right? That's going around. But and I want to tell you also another thing about Caterpillar right here. This company, according to Yahoo Finance, is undervalued. Is in the undervalued kind of side, right? Now, like I said before, this is not very precise data, but at least if it's signaling here that is undervalued, is better than one that is signaling that is overvalued. So it's in the undervalued price right here, as you can see. And why is that? What I find out when I saw Caterpillar is because the price is close to the 50 and the 20 moving averages, and they are above the 200 moving average, right? So when it's really close, it's a fair price, in my opinion. Unlike Apple and Tesla and other stocks where the price is really high above, right, the moving average, the 20 and the 50 and the 200, those prices were just way out of the reach of the moving averages. So that's why they're coming down so hard right now. And Caterpillar is in the other side. It's still advancing. It's still just about to come up, right? It's just turning around right here, as you can see. So I think this investment will be for a good time, maybe a few months to a year, in my opinion. Another thing, I was talking about Caterpillar here. It pays a dividend, right? Dividend yield is 2.78%, $4 with this price, with this current price of 148. And when I got it, it was paying about 3 and change, 3.3% plus, right? And another thing about Caterpillar here, let me show you. Well, the revenue 53 billion in 2019 and $6 billion in earnings. Yeah, so it's not too bad. I mean, I think it's a good company. Recently upgraded, well, not so recently, but July, right, 8th of 2020. Pretty good company, pays a dividend, right? Better interest than the banks are paying right now. So this is also a good sign, because this dividend you can reinvest it into the company during that year. The PE ratio is still low at 19.8. Earnings per share are pretty healthy, I think, $7.49. So there's another thing here, as you can see right here. You see there is a line right there. Let me see if you can picture this line. When Caterpillar crosses above this price of 164 and starts reaching new highs, if that happens, that's when, in my opinion, the stock might be ready to hit the 190s, right? 180s, 190s, $190 a share. So good company to invest in, I think. Very what was I saying, like, it's a very hard to duplicate, right? Again, So in my opinion, it's a good company right now, and a little safer than other investments, and it may come down as well also, right? But like other companies, who knows? Nobody knows what's gonna happen, but in my opinion, this is a good investment right now. Even starting little by little, like dollar cost averaging, investing into this company will pay off in the future. So that's all for this video. If you have any comments, or you bought Caterpillar or sold it, let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Bye.